Hello everyone, this is Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. Just wanted to stop by for my homeowners just to let you know that there are some things that you may want to look out for this season. I know that it is tax season and you probably have some ideas to use your refunds if you do get refunds from tax. But I want to bring across your attention some home maintenance items or some appliances, I should say, that you use on a daily basis that should pay a closer attention to, particularly to their life expectancy, because as you know, things break down and you just have to either repair them or replace them. So you want to have a little bit stashed away in order to make sure that you continue on your way of life and your daily habits without being hindered with malfunctioning units that you don't have enough funds to cover. So without any further ado, I want to stop into my first appliance, the dishwasher. Dishwasher, some of you guys use it, some guys don't. I personally dry everything, but hey, sometimes when you have kids, little ones, or you just don't have enough time, you put them in the dishwasher to get it clean. This appliance only lasts, our expectancy is to last for about 9 years. So keep that in mind, 9 years. All right. The next appliance would be the garbage disposal. Garbage disposal are very useful. All right. They help with breaking down food that, of course, you may not want to put in your garbage can, or you just want to maybe not clog up your drain because of some of the liquids that you put down. So they become very useful. A garbage disposal tends to last about 12 years. 12 years on a garbage disposal. All right. The next item is the clothes washer. The clothes washer is something that you use desperately to make sure those clothes stay clean. I hope that you make sure those clothes stay clean on a frequent basis. No judgment zone, by the way. So the clothes washer lasts about 13 years. You can get between 13 years to 15 years. Okay. Now, the clothes dryer is roughly a little less, about 13 years, sometimes 12 to 13 years. The first thing to go on the clothes dryer, which I've noticed a lot during home inspections, is just the heat that comes in from the dryer. That typically doesn't work after a period of time. It's the first thing to go out. Also, you want to make sure that you keep that dryer vent clean. Just want to add that in there. Okay. The next unit that you want to pay close attention when it comes down to the life expectancy is the what is it again? It is the range. The range, yes. How can I forget the range? It's something that you use to cook every day, if you do cook. All right. The electric range could last between 15 years as well, whereas a gas range can last between 15 to 17 years. So you get a little bit more extra time on the gas. Also, it's more economical as well. So gas is great on your pockets if that's what you're looking for. The next item would be the water heater. Water heater, got to have that hot water to take a shower. Okay, so the hot water heater lasts roughly between 8 to 12 years. 8 to 12 years. You can get some good usage out of it. It can extend past that with normal maintenance, but 8 to 12 years is typically the time frame. The next big component is the AC unit. All right, typically we have a split unit down here in in Florida in general. Across the world, they have a lot of split units now. So you want to make sure that you are maintaining that on a yearly basis, because the life expectancy for that is 12 to 15 years. The exterior unit as well as the interior unit. All right, 12 to 15 years. Okay. The next unit is the refrigerator. Time to eat, time to store food so you can provide a dinner on the table or lunch, or just have a beverage. So the refrigerator can last roughly about 12 to 13 years. 12 to 13 years. And of course, the first thing that goes out with this is Freon. Typically, the refrigerant lines start leaking over a period of time, and you either can, replace it with more Freon to kind of reserve it for just until you build up some cash flow to buy another one. But typically, that's the first thing to happen inside a refrigerator. All right. So what I will do is put down the information that I just listed about the years, okay, in the description below, so you can kind of go over it whenever you want to. Also, I will put a link inside the description as well that you can go to and put in the serial numbers, because you may not be able to find the year of your unit just by looking at the serial code the serial numbers, I'm sorry, on your appliance. So utilize this, put some cash together, thinking in long term in advance. If you have 2 years or a year left out, just put maybe $50, $75 a month to the side just for that particular unit. If you are a buyer and seeking to buy a home that has these units that are older, I definitely suggest that you get a home warranty service as soon as you move into the house. Okay, this is Inspector Q, just providing more information for you. If you like what you heard, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment, share it with your friends, and you have a wonderful day.